Translating verbal to mathematical. And what we're talking about is verbal expressions or maybe a verbal equation, and we're going to write it in mathematical form. So your objective today is, in the objective space, go ahead and write, change mathematical words into numbers and letters. Change mathematical words into numbers and letters. That's like the basic way of describing it. All right, so in our chart, we've got 4 sections. We'll use our foldable that we just created to fill in this information. So there's going to be a blank space. So I've got addition words. Words that mean addition. The sum of 6 and a number. How would I write that out as a mathematical, like numbers and a variable and a plus sign? The sum of 6 and a number.
6 plus x.
6 plus x. Perfect. So that's going to go where it says expression. 6 plus, and he chose s. All right, 8 more than a number. And I'm going to underline the word more and the word than. 8 more than a number. No, this is all addition words. So 8 more than a number. More than. More than is backwards than what you think. Let me do it for you. 8 more. So the plus 8 goes at the end. And here's why. Because it's 8 more than something else. 8 more than this right here. What is this? We don't know. X. 8 more. So the 8 gets added to the end of it. I'm adding 8 to something. 8 more than the X that was in front. Third one. Volunteer. A number plus 5. X plus 5. You guys can pick any variable you want. It can be L or whatever you feel like. And then it's a number increased. Not increases. Increased by 7. Increased is an addition word. So someone. A number increased by 7. Pick something besides X. Let's get a little more creative. V plus 7. Awesome. Those are all addition examples. Let's talk now about subtraction examples. Okay? The difference of 5 and a number. It's a subtract word. Z minus.
W minus.
I wonder if I can move it. Let me see if that does it. Aha. I need to move it over a little bit. There we go. Yay. You said Z. What'd you say?
V.
Z minus 5. Oh, listen. The difference of 5 and a number. I wrote it. 5 goes first. Z or V, whatever. Okay. Here's a special one. For less than. It's just like that example I had with more than. More than and less than are special cases. Less than a number. So I have a number, and then I have to take 4 away from it. For less than something. So W minus 4. Again, here's why. For less than. Here's my 4. But it's less than something. It's less than that W. So it goes at the end. Third one. 7 minus a number. That's easy, right? 7 minus a number. 7 minus P. Why not? Okay? And last one. A number decreased by 9. A number, anything, decreased by 9?
12.
Pick a variable. Like the unnumber means we don't know. So like X or Y.
8.
I heard C. So I heard someone say C decreased by 9. Those are all your subtraction examples. Multiplication. Obviously a little too big there. Sorry about that. The product of 9 and a number. Product. Look on your foldable to see product. Multiply. But the number 9 comes first. So you need to write 9 first. 9 and a number. 9J. Perfect. Why not? 9 and a number. 9 times J. I could also write, what if I did like 9 parentheses J? That's fine. They both work. 10 times a number. 10 times a number. 10 O. That's going to be, okay, make sure you.
10 times U.
10 O. Make sure you know it's an O. But why not? You could pick O. A number multiplied by 3. A number comes first. The unknown comes first. C multiplied by 3. Ideally, I really don't like to write. This doesn't look good to us. C3. We really like 3C, but it specifically said a number multiplied by 3. Okay, so we can go in order. Division problems. That's a bit too small. Okay. The quotient. Quotient can be division or it can be fraction bar. So I can do like number and 4, like x divided by 4 or x over 4. They both are good and correct answers. 7 divided by a number. 7 divided by a number. What do I write?
7 divided by X.
7 divided by x, or 7 on top, x on the bottom. Okay? Awesome. Let's get started with some a little more information. Order matters. Sure does, guys. Because remember when I talked about, can you write this in? See how these words are typed here? More than. 7 is more than a number. Please write this in where it says order matters. And then less than. 7 is less than a number. So here's my example, R plus 7. 7 more than this R. 7 more than the number in front of it. And then less than, same process. Put the minus 7 at the end. 7 less than this number in front. So I'm taking 7 away from something. All right, quantity. 4 times the quantity of a number, x minus 11. It's parentheses, guys. Four times the quantity, parentheses, a number x minus 11. X take away 11. So that's how that one would look. 4 times the quantity, a number x minus 11. Okay, other important symbols. So put this down below on your paper. Okay? Did you guys know, let me write this big at the bottom, that this symbol, what I'm writing in blue, less than makes an L. Did you know that less than makes an L? So, if you're wondering, does that say greater than or does that say less than? The less than makes an L. So, all right, put less than and then a colon. And it's is less than. The word is will be in my, is an equal sign. So after is, put equal sign. Write this down. You can put it in the margin on the left or down below somewhere. Less than with a line underneath it. Does anyone know what that is? Less than with a line underneath it? But how would you say it total? How would you say it all together?
Less than or equal to.
Is less than or equal to. Okay, the other direction is greater than. So I'm going to put that symbol is greater than. And to end it off, greater than with a line underneath it is greater than or equal to. So notice that the word is has been written for all of these. Is greater than or equal to. All right. These are important symbols because if you see these words in a sentence, you need to use inequalities. Less than, greater than. Okay, so that's a lot to remember. All right. Turn the page. Let's start some together. All right, so I've got the first four. 9 more than a number. More than.
X plus 9.
More than. Yeah.
X plus 9.
Good call. Quotient of a number and 10.
X divided
X, and let's do fraction bar. Pick some other things besides X, guys. There's 26 letters to choose from. You know? 3 more than. Ooh. More than. Be careful. 3 more than. That means the plus 3 goes at the end. 3 more than what? What are we adding 3 to? 9 times a number. What do I put in front of the plus sign? No, it doesn't say quantity. 9, don't pick X.
W.
9Z. Make sure your Z doesn't look like a 2. And I already am getting like my Z too close to my plus sign. Oh, that was too much erasing right there. Let me fix that. All right. Number 4, the product of 4 and a number. Product. Okay. Look at your foldable for product. Multiply. 4 Q. No one said Q today. You guys don't like Q? What's wrong?
I don't like
Me.
All right. Keep going. Keep practicing.